Question number one. Tell us your name and tell us about your project.
My name is Gift my boys. In my project, I was looking at the measurement of light, the history, how it is measured. Light is a very fascinating topic. Uh, Light is part of a electromagnetic spectrum, which ranges from radio waves to gamma rays. Thank
Question number two. What were you guys trying to do or find? Question mark.
you. I was trying to find and look at the history, like I said earlier on, the mathematical and physics concept of measuring light. Thereby, I had to do some research into the sciences, the times the experiment were taken, discoveries which were made to better understand my topic and understand the concept of light.
Question number three. Where did the project or experiment occur at?
Uh, hmm. The first recorded time that this measurement of light was done was in 1676 by Olaus Romer. He obtained a value of a c, which is what we call speed of light, equivalent to 214,000 kilometers per second, which is a pretty fast uh, number, which was very approximate to because the planetary distances were not accurately known at that time. I didn't perform the experiment personally, but I used online data in online like experiments to understand my subject.
Question number four. What other significant events were happening around the world at that time?
Oh yeah. At that time, some parts of the world were experiencing darkness due to the lunar eclipse. This event helped scientists tremendously to measure the speed at which light travels from point A to point B, which was like the way the darkness covered almost half of the earth and like the countries in which was affected by the darkness. Thank you.
Question number five. Who else was involved in the project?
It was a personal project. I did all the research myself. I looked at the online data. Um, I also uh, obtained the experimental data from sources from Wikipedia, Quora, to help me understand the light as a subject.
Question number six. What was your role in the project?
Uh, like I said earlier on, my role, I did the research, I did the whole project, so I guess I'm the pioneer of the project. So my role basically was making sure I had all my data, all my trends, and all of that confirmed to make sure I understood uh, my project topic, which is measurement of light, and to bring this to you basically.
Question number seven. What impact did your project have on the physics community?
My project did not really, let's say, have an impact on the community. Um, Most information I got to help me with the project was gotten from the community itself. Like I said earlier on, I used sources like from Quora, professors who answer questions from for students online. So I went on there, looked at some information, and I have textbooks also. So I didn't really add to the community basically to say.
the last and least question. Question number 8. Make up one question of your own.
Uh, I mean, one question I would ask myself would be, what is one thing that fascinates you from light, basically? And my answer would be, light is the speed of light is so quick that, and I mean, the speed of light is so quick that it's crazy how scientists come up with formulas and methods to measure the speed of light to produce a seed, to produce the values of acceleration and so many other derivatives of light. So it's just crazy and fascinates me from that concept.